Today I'm going to tell you how you can add the My Computer and Recycle Bin icon on your desktop. Now right click on the screen and click on Personalize. Now click on Themes. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Setting. Now here are the important icons that need to be on your desktop. Now select Computer, Recycle Bin and Network. If you want other two icons, you can also select them. Now click on OK. You can see the icons have appeared on the desktop. Now place these icons where you want. Now that's how you add the icons on your desktop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.